Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to jump into the super fun world of English greetings? Because believe me, it's way more than just saying hello.
Okay, but wait. There are so many ways to say hi in English, right? It can feel like, whoa, which one do I use? But you know what? Don't worry about it one bit. We're gonna figure this out together, and it's gonna be super easy.
I mean, just look at these. How's it going? What's up? Hey there. It's like a whole universe of friendly words just waiting for us. So let's dive right in. You'll see, it's actually really simple.
All right, first things first. We're gonna talk about the simple hi and hello. Let's start with the easy stuff, the real basics. So you probably already know the most common ones, right? A simple, friendly hi, a happy hello, or even a casual hey. The best part? You can pretty much always use these. They're always a great choice.
And here's a little secret that makes things so easy. Ready? A lot of the time, the greeting is also the answer. Yeah? So if someone says hi to you, you can just say hi right back. They say hello, you say hello. See? It's really that simple.
Now we can also play with these a little bit. Like good morning sounds a little more, proper. Maybe you'd say that at work. But if you're talking to a friend, you can just say morning. It just feels warmer and friendlier, doesn't it? And yep, it works for afternoon and evening too. Okay, you ready for the next level? We're moving on to the tricky question greetings. But hey, don't let the word tricky scare you. They're actually super friendly and, honestly, kind of fun.
So, here's the thing. Sometimes in English, our way of saying hello is, well, it's a question. Something like, how's it going? Isn't really asking for a big, long story. It's just a friendly way to say hi. Let's make sure that's super clear.
Okay, so what do you say back? It's easy. If someone asks, how are you? You can just say, good, or I'm fine. Simple. What if they ask, what's up? A perfect answer is just, not much. These short, easy answers, they always work.
So really, you never have to stress about thinking of some big, complicated answer. Sticking with these simple, short replies is always the safe way to go. It's friendly, it's easy, it's perfect.
All right, but now let's talk about the real way to answer. I gotta say, this is probably the biggest secret of them all.
Okay, so we know short answers are a good idea. But do we always give a short answer? What do you think? Let's find out. And here it is, the big secret. Your answer really depends on who you're talking to. Simple as that. If it's a close friend or your family, sure, you can give a real long answer. But with someone from work or someone you just met, a short answer is absolutely perfect.
Think about it. If your best friend asks, how are you? And you're having a really bad day, you can tell them. You can share the real story, right? Because they're your friend and they actually want to know.
But now, what if it's the person working at a coffee shop or someone new at your job? In that case, a quick, happy, I'm good is exactly what you need. It's polite, it keeps things friendly, it's just the right thing to say.
Okay, let's put this all together into a super simple recipe for a great greeting. Ready? Step 1, say hi or hello. Step 2, give your short, happy answer, something like good. Step 3, ask them back. Just say, you? And step 4, the easy part, just listen to what they say. That's it, you've done it.
Seriously, that little question, you? It's like magic. Just adding it to the end of your answer is the easiest, friendliest way to keep a conversation going. So if someone asks, how's it going? You can say, pretty good, you? It's so simple, and it shows that you care about them too.
And that's it. You did it. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Now you know all the most important secrets to English greetings. You are totally a greetings expert now. Great job!
Okay, so now I'm curious about you. What's your favorite way to say hello in English? Do you have one? I'd love to know, so please tell me in the comments below.
I'm really excited to read what you have to say. And hey, if you had fun learning with us today, it would be awesome if you'd give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks so much for hanging out with me.